Hello, this video I am going to show you how strings work in JavaScript. So basically I'm going to create a new file here. So I'm going strings.js. So there's the one, and how we will define a string in JavaScript. So we are using the work here, and we are defining here test, and next one I'm defining another one with single quote, that's also test2 or something. Okay, so we got two strings here, and inside that I will show you some of the things. So before that I want to print this one, console.log, and I am printing x plus string then y. Okay, right now we are ready to go and run code. I need to save before running code, and you can see I print both one. And if you need to include a apostrophe s here, that you can do here without any problem. Let's see the result thereafter. Yeah, it's working. So if you are trying to do this one, what will be the output? Let's run. Since it is okay, yeah, this is going to be a next line. So you can do that. So but you can do by using this one. This one will called escape character. So using an escape character, you can do that. If you put two escape character, the same way it's going to print. So let's see the output right now. Right now we are fine. So that's the use of escape character. So we discussed about that. And the other things, we have so many other sequence of escape characters we have. So basically I will show you some of them here. So probably I need to comment out the whole session. So okay, so here is the list \b. Let me check. So it's a backspace. So I'm just clear out. I'm just going to run. Okay, form field. So this one for form field. Let's see how it will work. This form field will not make any sense. So I will go to the new line character. That will make sense for this particular scenario. And carriage return is there. Don't know what does that mean. Let's try that too. So that's same the next line. So horizontal tabular is there. That will be a useful scenario. Yeah, it's one tab. And vertical tabular is there. So vertical tabular, I don't know exactly what that means. Probably three things we need to make sure: backspace, form field, and vertical tabular. So that all we can do, but Yeah, new lane, tabular, that are the most famous ones. Breaking long line of codes. So basically how we can break the long line of codes. You can break the code within a text string using the single backslash. So if I am just writing like this, it will work since I am using single backslash. Let me clear output and run again. Yeah, it's working. So that's one way of one way of breaking long code lines. Another one is the safer approach. That's just completing this one. I mean, if I'm just completing this one, I am using the plus here, and I don't need to use anything after that. Yeah, but yeah, we need to use something here. So just save this one and just run that code. You can see it plus y. This one is not defined. So what happened with that? We yeah two things. Okay, so right now run code will print exactly what we need. So that is the safer approach. So another thing regarding the strings is how we will use the equals. So we have a strict equal and we have the normal equal, right? So how it will work? Right now I'm going to create another variable here. So I am going to new string. I'm creating a string object here. So two ways we can create string. So that's 3 or something. So it will make sense. No, not that one. Yeah, I need to be the same. And inside my console.log, I need to compare that two things. So if I am comparing with just equal sign, what is going to happen? So I will clear my output right now, and I am just trying to run again. So it's given me the result of true because it's not strict equal. So strict equal looking for type also. So right now I am running with strict equal. So it's given me the result of false. So that is the difference between strict equal and non-normal equal. And is any other point that I missed right now? Let me look on that. Object we cannot compare. So if we are using the object, it will not give the same result. So let's see how it will work. I'm creating a D, and here I'm going to print that one, saving this one and running the code. It's given me the same result. So true, false, true. So I can compare two objects without any problem. Maybe I can compare this one with strict equal. What will be the output? I'm clearing my output right now and I'm running again, so we can see that both for strict eagle, both. Okay, sorry, actually I made some mistake here, so I need to compare these two. So both will give false because it's an object, so we cannot compare that object with this one also. This one we can do. I guess object equals JavaScript. So we need to have an operator for that one. Actually, we cannot use. Yeah, probably. Yeah, some other thing. Okay, so that's way it works. So this is all about JavaScript strings, basic JavaScript string objects, string variable. So that's all about strings. Next video we will discuss something else. Probably, yeah, there is something else that I am missing right now. Yeah, that I will discuss on my next video. We have some more string things like string slice, string length, string substring. There are a lot of things that are pending. So basically this video is just basic string, and next video we'll discuss about more on javascript string methods.